Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how you can connect your Amazon Echo Dot to your phone via Bluetooth. Now this tutorial is very easy and you can do it in a matter of seconds, and I'll be showing you how to do it right now. But before we get started, let me just address to you that many people think that you need a subscription such as Amazon Music or Spotify to be able to use these features. But no, you actually don't. You just need to connect it to Bluetooth if you want to use it for audio. So what you want to do is you want to ask your voice assistant to turn on Bluetooth. So the way you want to do it is you want to say, Alexa, turn on Bluetooth.
Searching.
Now Alexa is searching for Bluetooth. So what you want to do now is you want to go into settings and you want to look for Bluetooth. As you can see, I have Bluetooth here and you just want to enable that. So I'll click on that. And as you can see, there's available devices right here popped up, and you want to click on that. And now you have the option of pairing it. So do you want to pair it? I do. So click on it. There you go. Now you are connected for audio.